providing awareness workshop services. From the Services menu, choose All Services tab and then click on it. Then click on Providing Awareness Workshops, where you can view the service details such as About the service, Steps to complete the service, User guide, or by watching this introductory video. For applying, click on Start Service. Then select the training type. Fill in the required details. Choose from the available sessions. Then click Next. Click the verification box. Then click Next. Participate in the customer satisfaction survey to express your level of satisfaction within the service. Then you will receive a reference number. An email and a text message on the registered phone will be sent to you immediately, confirming the successful submission of the request. Upon approval of the request, you will be notified by email and you will be contacted to coordinate the workshop.